When you blend together rice flour, potato starch, tapioca flour, and xanthan gum, you open up a world of possibilities for anyone who's allergic to wheat or gluten. But what if you're allergic to dairy, eggs, nuts, soy, or sulfites? Then what? Well, would diving into a plate of freshly baked chocolate chip cookies help? Everyone deserves to experience the joy of biting into a warm chocolate chip cookie, and it always begins with flour. Or flours in this case, because if you're living with allergies, a gluten-free flour blend can really change your life. 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Together, the baking soda and the baking powder help the cookies rise. Normally, an egg would do that heavy lifting, but not in these cookies. Eggs are an allergen, and no butter here either. Instead, coconut oil is a great way to add dairy-free richness to these cookies, 3/4 of a cup. And so is, believe it or not, applesauce, 1/2 cup. This is actually a standard ingredient in gluten-free baking because it adds much needed moisture and body. And I'm so happy vanilla is not a common allergen because I couldn't imagine baking without it. 2 teaspoons. The same goes for sugar, and you can actually add the sugar to the wet or the dry ingredients. It doesn't really matter as long as you get it in. 1 cup. Now for the main event, because this dough exists for one reason and one reason only: to carry chocolate chips, dark chocolate chips. Can you imagine life without chocolate? That's just too horrible to imagine. Life without peanuts, though, that's pretty common. And even if it's not you or your kids that are allergic to peanuts, chances are someone else around you may be. So these treats are perfect for any peanut-free zone. And even if you're baking something else, you can always drop the peanuts and stir in, cranberries or raisins or dried fruit or pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, any seeds, candy bits of all sizes, shapes, and colors, even chocolate chip. And these just need a little quality time in the oven, 12, 13 minutes or so at 375 degrees. I'm fortunate to live an allergy-free lifestyle, but as I think about it, I actually do have one allergy. I'm extremely allergic to doing anything in the kitchen that excludes anyone. I mean, that's what cooking is all about. It's for sharing, and if you can't share with everyone, then it just doesn't feel right. And maybe that's the point of allergen-free cooking, making everyone feel welcome. These look pretty friendly. There is one thing missing here, though. How about a non-dairy, lactose-free, gluten-free frozen treat made from rice milk? Easily found in the health food section of your supermarket. Now that's a treat. And now you have a challenge. Try making these. Try eating them. Try sharing them. Try finding anyone who doesn't love them, because this is what all great cooking is about. Great flavor. And what a great reason to master a basic gluten-free flour blend.